Many Filipinos dream of living and working in America. And for my wife, who was a nurse here in the Philippines, that dream was something we wanted to turn into reality. But where did it all begin? Well, it started with one big step, passing the NCLEX exam. Sounds simple, right? But after passing the NCLEX, that's when the real journey begins. Madaming papers na kailangan asikasuhin. Documents, applications, requirements, certifications, one after another. And sometimes you don't even know when the process will move forward. And then comes what we Filipinos call the waiting game. You wait for your priority date. You wait, and sometimes you start wondering, kailan kaya? But once your priority date comes current, everything starts moving. Medical exams, biometrics, more documents, more waiting, until finally you reach what could be the most nerve wracking part of the entire process, the visa interview. After years of preparation, waiting, and hoping, this is the moment when everything feels real. And if you're lucky enough to make it through all of that, you finally get the visa. But here's the thing, getting the visa isn't the end of the journey. It's actually the beginning of a new chapter. Leaving behind family, friends, your home, your career, and everything familiar. And starting over in a country you've only dreamed about. Come with us as we share our journey from passing the NCLEX, surviving the waiting game, getting that visa, and finally making our way to America. This is our story, and this is where our new chapter begins.